In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated tasks in Notion. By the end, you'll know how to add a button that runs actions for you so routine work takes seconds instead of minutes. First, open the Notion website. This brings you into your workspace where all your pages live. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you want the automation to run. A quick reminder that everything you do here will sync across devices, so it's a great place to build repeatable workflows you can trigger with a single click. Next, decide where this automation belongs. You can click New Page to start fresh, or select an existing page if you already have a dashboard or a project hub you want to enhance. A dedicated page keeps things tidy, but adding a button to a familiar page makes it easier to use every day. Either choice works. It just depends on how you organize your work. Now, use the search bar to find the button block. Type the word button, then select it from the results to insert it on your page. Give your button a clear, descriptive name so you'll always know what it does. For example, if it's going to create a new task with preset details, name it something like New Task. If it's meant to prepare a weekly review, name it Weekly Review. Good names help you and your teammates understand its purpose at a glance. Here's where you insert the necessary things. When the button configuration opens, choose the actions you want it to run. You can set it to create a page in a specific database, fill in fields like status, priority, or due date, or pre-populate a template so the new page always looks the same. If your workflow needs multiple actions, add them in the order you want them to run. Consider what details you repeat every time and bake those into the setup to save time later. You can also specify where the new item should be created, which properties should be set, and any default text you want included. Take a moment to review your choices and make sure the button points to the right database or page and that the properties match how your workspace is structured. Once everything looks right, click Done. Your button is now ready and visible on the page. Anytime you need that workflow, it's just one click away, helping you work faster with fewer mistakes. That's all there is to creating automated tasks in Notion using a button.